dorim călătorie plăcută. Ladies and gentlemen, the Interregio train 1657 state operator CFR Călător leaves for Buzău, Focșani, Adjud, Bacău from platform 7. The next station stop is Ploiești Sud. We wish you a good journey.